Hello everybody. I have this amazing footage. Now this is one in a lifetime opportunity to see something like this. I was making a right turn exiting from the 94 freeway to Spring Street, making a right turn onto Spring Street in La Mesa, California. And on the right side of the road of Spring Street, there was a hawk that attacked a rat, huge rat, or probably a gopher, huge one, and tried to lift it with one leg and fly with it, but the gopher or rat, whatever it was so heavy that the hawk couldn't manage to get a good grip on it, so it kind of abandoned the mission and left without the rat. So the rat ends up living another day. It's very amazing footage. Watch it. It was awesome, wasn't it? Yeah, it was crazy. All right, I'll keep my cameras rolling.